So, good evening, everyone. My name is Gaurav Kumar Jain, and I welcome you all on this amazing channel named Geeks for Geek School. So, before diving into the platform and checking out how can we develop Microbit Compass on Tinkerkid, I would like to first tell you about something very interesting, something which you would definitely like to know about. So, it's a course which we guys have come up with, and it is based on mobile app development. And how can you check out the details of this course? You can make use of this URL, put this URL in the URL part of the browser, and simply when you will hit the enter button, it will redirect you to that web page we have designed, on which you can find the details of this course. And in this course we guys will provide you the online coding classes, in which we'll teach you uh, what all things comes under mobile application development, how you can develop user interface for your mobile app, how you can make it more interactive by adding coding to it, and also how you can design multi-screen applications. Right. Besides that, if you want to know about the syllabus of this course, and uh, you want the details of the things that will be taught to you in this course, so you can come down on this web page, and here you will find a button. Simply click on this button and it will open for you a new tab, in to which we have linked a PDF file. Now here in this PDF file you'll find all the 18 topics that will be covered in the online coding classes we guys will provide you. Right, so that's the PDF file, and if you'll scroll down you'll find all the 18 topics over here. Right, so we are going to start from the very scratch point. Fine, from the introduction to apps we are going to start with this topic, and once you'll become confident we'll gradually move towards the advanced things. Right, so if you want, you guys can go ahead and book your seats for this course. Definitely you are going to take away many things from this course. And let me tell you one more interesting fact about this course. It has become so much popular today. We are getting so many entries on daily basis, that we are now we have now decided to close the registration. So before closing the registration for this course, please, I would like you guys to just go ahead and book your seat for this course, because it is very affordable. Right, it is very much affordable. If you really want to learn things related to mobile application development, if you want to develop your own mobile app, then this course is made for you. Go ahead and book your seat for this. In this course, besides things related to mobile application development, you will also get to interact with people from students from different countries, different states. Definitely it is going to enhance your problem solving skills. It will enhance your thinking skills, definitely. Fine, and besides this I would like to tell you about one more thing, that we have come up with a championship in which we are providing 100% scholarship to the winners. Right, so whoever will win the championship will be provided with a 100% scholarship, and in this 100% scholarship we'll provide you online coding classes for DSA, data structure and algorithm. If you want to learn DSA, which is quite popular today, so this is the best opportunity for each and every one of you. Right, and you can grab this opportunity without paying to us anything. So you will be given 100% free of cost classes if you win this championship. Let me show it to you. So if you'll come on my channel over here, uh, you'll find this banner. So Geeks for Geeks has uh, this is what Geeks for Geeks has come up with. So it's a live course, and the students of grade 9 to 12 can take part in this competition. Fine, and really it's an amazing thing. It's a very innovative thing that we have come up with. You are going to enjoy it definitely, and you are going to take away many things from the classes which we will provide you under this 100% scholarship. Right, besides this, if you want to learn something big like data science or artificial intelligence, machine learning, or website development or something like that, so let me tell you, Geeks for Geeks is into everything today. We are we have developed many courses. We have the best of the best mentors with us who have amazing experience, extravagant knowledge, which they are ready to share with all of you. So if you want to if you want to learn things, if you want to learn and create new things, definitely we are there to help you in the same. You guys can check out the main website of Geeks for Geeks. So there you'll find all the details of all the courses that we guys are providing today to our students. Right? If you find anything appealing, if you find anything interesting, do not hesitate to contact our executive department. You can find the toll free number also over there on the main website, with which you can get in touch with us and you can get your issues resolved. If you have any queries related to this course or if you already have checked the courses before, so you can just put your queries in the comment section also if you want. Right? I am there to sort it out, and my team is there to help you guys out with your queries. And thank you very much to all the students who are regularly sharing their issues, who are regularly liking the videos, who are regularly sharing the videos in the groups and making us more and more popular day by day. Thank you to all the students. Okay, let's now come on this Tinkercad platform, and what we are going to do today, we are going to make use of the Microbit chip for generating a compass kind of thing on Tinkercad platform. So that's how you can access the environment. Now on this environment you can easily create virtual circuits, as you guys know it very well. If you are new to this platform, so what you can do, you can check out the very first tutorial I shooted for this platform, in which I explain the basic things, the basic things which the these tools which you are able to see right on the top over here on this interface, these options, these this menu over here, each and everything was explained in the very first lecture. So if you want to learn the basics first, you're most welcome to check the first tutorial which I shooted on this platform. Once you are done with learning the basics, these advanced things that we are doing right now, you will be able to understand them in a more better way, because most of the times it happens that if the basics are not clear to you, if you don't know about the basics and you directly jump on the advanced things, so you sometime at some point you lose the interest, or it may happen that you may not be able to understand the advanced concepts. So I don't want you guys to leave this platform and go away. I want you to enjoy this platform to the fullest. And if you really want to do that, you will have to check out the basic things, and after that you can come and check out these advanced things that we will we are doing right now. Fine. Okay, so let's change this one to all, and I would first like to pull a microbit chip from here. That's the one I was searching for, so I'm dragging and dropping it over here like this. Okay, now for making for making it a compass, or for making a compass out of this microbit, it's very easy. The only thing that we need to make to do is we just have to define the code in the coding section. We don't require any other component except this microbit chip, right? So that's the reason it's very it is very easy. It's one of the most easiest thing that we're going to learn today, but the coding is somewhat typical. If you haven't checked out the lecture, or you can say tutorial, which I showed it yesterday, I think you will not be able to understand the coding which I am going to define now in this coding workspace, or it may be possible that you will find it somewhat difficult, right? But no problem. Just be there, and if you, in case you come across any issue, or if you feel that the coding is tough, you're not able to understand anything, so let me know in the comment section. I'll repeat the things which I explained yesterday in the tutorial, and I hope things will be more clear to you then. So we need this forever loop first. Inside this we are going to define different if else control statements. Right, now the first thing we need to do is we need to set the angle first. Now how can we get the angle? So the way we used the LEDs yesterday for showing the different gestures, in the same way we are going to make use of these LEDs for showing the direction signs, right? And it is going to be a real fun for all of you. So I need that angle variable first. Where is that? Just give me a short moment. I think I will have to create one variable. So I am creating a variable with name angle. Okay, now we have this set angle block over here. So I would like to first set the value of this variable. Now what all things do I need for setting the value of this variable? So the first thing I need is the plus operator. That's the one. I am putting it over here. Now the second thing I need is just give me a short moment. I am searching for that floor, where I can get that floor from. I think that's the one. Let me just check in the drop down. No, it's true and false. These are the boolean values. I'm looking for floor. I think that's the one. I can get floor in this drop down. Floor is there. No, floor is not there. Can we get it here? Yes, floor is here. So with the help of this we can round off the value. I'm putting it in this first input box like this, right? So that's how you have to first create this code, which I am doing, which I am creating right now. So round off, and after this here we can make use of the compass heading. Where is that? Let me see if I have anything like that over here or not. No, we don't have anything over here, and in the output also we don't have that compass heading. So looking for it, just give me a short moment. I think I'll be able to find it very soon. Yeah, that's the one I was looking for, and we need to put it over here. So round off compass heading, and now we need a division operator. So we can find it in this math section. I think that's the one. If we'll click on this drop down, that's the one I require, and I'm putting it over here. Okay, so I'm almost done. I need to keep it here. Yeah. So round off, then compass heading plus, and I would like to plus 22.5 divided by, let's make it 45, right? And we can put it inside this input box like this. So that's what you have to do first. You have to first set the angle to something, and I have used this formula for generating the angle. Okay, now the next thing that we have to do is we can make use of this if operator. In place of if, I would like to make use of if else, because that is the one which is going to serve the purpose. Okay, if else, and we need to now make use of this block. I'm putting it over here. I would like to check the value of angle first, whether it is equal to 1 or not. See, if the value of angle whatever the value this block is going to assign to this angle named variable. So once it is done, once the variable gets a value, the compiler is going to come on this line. Now here the value will be checked. If this angle's value, if this angle's named variable's value, if it is equal to 1, then what should happen? I would like to see I would like to see a direction kind of thing on my microbit. So for that we can use this show icon, and if you'll click on this drop down over here, so where is that direction? Yeah, so these are the direction signs, right? I would like to see which direction sign should I select. You tell me that. Okay, I think, how about this one? Yep. Or do we have something else? Okay, let's make use of this one, right? If the value of angle is equal to 1, then it will then that's the sign which will get reflected on the microbit, right? And now we can again duplicate this code, and I would like to put this if else statement inside this. It is very simple actually. What I did is I first defined this angle named variable, and then I created this whole formula for finding out the value of this angle named variable. Once this value we get this value, it will be assigned to this angle named variable, and then it will be checked whether the angle named variable's value is equal to 1 or not. If it is equal to 1, then this sign will be showed to us on the microbit. If it is let's say equal to 2, then I would like to see something else. Let me see okay, let's go with this one, right? Similarly we can duplicate this code and we can put it over here. And now if the value of angle is equal to 3, then I would like to see this sign getting reflected on the microbit. And if the value is equals to 4, I would like to see let's select some other, yeah, that's the sign I would like to see getting reflected on the microbit. And if it is equals to let's say 5, yep, 5, so I would like to see something else. Okay, so not this one, I think that is going to be a good option. And finally in this else part we can put show icon like this, and let's change it to this, right? So we selected 4 different signs, as you can see. And if the value of angle is not equal to 1, if it is not equal to 2, or if it is not equal to 3, and not equal to 4, not equal to 5, then that's what we will see on the microbit, right? So that's how you can define the code. Let me first check the comment section before showing you the result. If I have anything to answer, definitely I would like to answer that thing first. Riyan Srivastav, hello dear. I hope you are done with liking and sharing this video also, and thank you very much for all the efforts you are doing for popularizing our channel. It means a lot to us, really dear, and thank you very much for joining me at this time and bearing with me. Okay, so there is no query in the comment section. However, in case you come across any issue while coding this easiest circuit, that's the easiest thing which I'm telling you guys right now, because the kind of things we designed in the previous lectures, they were somewhat complicated, right? But the things which we are doing today, they are very easy. If you will try it out yourself, definitely you will be able to learn it in a better way. See, hands-on experience is very important. If you will not practice these things practically, if you will not get the if you will not try your hands on this platform, you will not be able to understand these things. Listening the things and not practicing is not going to benefit you. It is not going to give you anything. Yes, you just check out the lecture, and after that I would like you guys to practice these things on your own. Then only you will get the benefit of these lectures. Otherwise, nothing is going to happen. Really sorry for that, but that's the truth. Okay, I've started the simulation process, and as you can see, I'm able to see this cross right now over here, right? Because the value doesn't match, the value of that angle doesn't match with 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. Again, if you'll start the simulation, so that's what you'll see. Okay, so I'm getting this thing again and again. Right, so that's how this circuit is going to give you the result. And you can, if you guys want, you guys can check out the whole code now. That's the whole code which I have defined over here. Right, let me show you something very nice. If I'll expand this window, and instead of putting this whole thing over here, let's make it, let me just delete it from here. Okay, sorry, by mistake I deleted the whole code. Really sorry for that. No problem, we'll do it again. It's very easy. I wanted to show you something, and that thing is, can we undo this? Let me check if we can undo and bring those things back. Yes, it's very easy, right? Okay, so I'm eliminating this block from here, and if I'll put 2 over here and start the simulation process, let's see what is going to happen. So I'm able to see this direction sign over here, right? And if I'll change this to 4, then if we'll start the simulation process, so automatically the direction sign will change. Right, so that's how you can design a compass with the help of this microbit. You just try it out yourself, and definitely you will be able to design and also code it yourself. Designing is not that much. You just have to drag and drop the microbit chip on this environment, and then simply you have to define this code over here. And the only thing which I used today is these if else control statements, nothing else. Right, so it's very easy for you guys to define the code for it. And if suppose you want to see something else getting reflected based on the value of this angle named variable, so what you can do, if I'll click on this drop downs, these are some more options from which I can make this selection. Suppose I want to see this kind of face, right? And let's change this value of angle variable to 1, and now if I'll start the simulation process, so I'm able to see this face over here, see? Right, similarly if you want to define something else, you can define this face also. It's looking cool. Right, so try out these small things. You're definitely going to enjoy it, and when you'll get the output, you will feel more what we call it, confident. You'll become more confident. You know, these outputs, when we get very easily, they boost up our confidence. But when we don't get the output, we lose our heart and we stop trying. That should not happen. Keep on trying, keep on learning new things. Definitely you will achieve your dream. If you have some big dreams, and don't stop dreaming, please don't stop dreaming. Keep dreaming and keep try to dream big. Okay, that's what I tell my students, and that's what I do myself also. I dream big. If you will dream small, you will have small goals. Try to dream big, try to have long term goals instead of having short term goals. Long term goals means try to have those goals which you think will take time for you to achieve. Right. Okay, so this is it from my side in this lecture. Let me check the comment section the last time before I end this meeting. Thank you everyone who is listening to me right now, and it was a great experience, and it really feels very to be very honest with you, I really enjoy teaching these things to you guys, and it really feels very good. I really feel very good teaching these things, these amazing things to you guys. And the way, and if you'll keep on sharing your experience also with me, definitely it is going to benefit me a lot, because I will be able to understand your views and your ideas and your things also, what you want from this channel, right? Because if you are coming on this channel, you are giving us half an hour or 1 hour on daily basis. So whatever your expectations are, we want to fulfill all of them. But until and unless you will share your expectations with us, we'll not be able to will not be able to will not come to know about your expectations, and we'll not be able to fulfill them, right? If you want us to fulfill your expectations, you want, suppose you want, there is some other platform you know about and you want to learn to code or to design on that platform, you will have to tell the name of that platform which you want to learn, right? You can put it simply in the comment section. Definitely we will try to provide you the lectures for those platforms also on our channel. And the students, all of you, I would like to request you to keep on liking and sharing the videos in your groups if you haven't started it yet, because we really want to reach out to each and every student who want to learn to code and to design and to learn these amazing things, right? Because we are giving everything to you guys free of cost, we are not charging anything. That's the first reason, and we have the best of the best mentors which are ready to share their extravagant knowledge, their amazing experience with each and every one of you, right? So this is it from my side in this lecture. Hope you guys enjoyed this one a lot, and I hope to see each and every one of you in the next lecture also, which I will be shooting tomorrow. Thank you very much all of you, and have a great day. Bye bye everyone.